Guys, lot number 52, 10207. It's the 4th best bird in the union this year, young bird. Didn't race the last race. What a superstar. This is the best of my Mortimer Kaasboer combination. Sister flew 9th union. The other sister, 10208, is lot number 58 on the auction. This is superstar. Look at this pigeon. This is a magnificent cock. Absolutely perfect in the hand. Perfect balance. Perfect muscles. Look at the wing. This is an unbelievable pigeon. Brilliant cock. I would have loved to have seen what this pigeon could have done next year as a 2-year-old. Lot number 52.